Here's how you can add custom fonts in CapCut in a simple and easy way. Now here's the thing, CapCut doesn't natively support adding custom fonts directly within the app on your PC, so you'll need to install the font on your computer first. To do this, open your web browser and type the font and enter it. Open the first website, click on it. Here you can find various fonts. Choose the font you would like. Scroll down and click download. Download it on your laptop like this. Now open it from here. Click on open type font file. Click on it. This is the exact font which you will be adding to your system. Click on install. Now close all this. Now open the CapCut and click text. Add the text by clicking on this plus button. Now type your text. Once you have typed it, click on this font right here. Click on it. Now search the font you have downloaded just now and hit enter. As you can see, your font has been appeared right here. Once applied, you can customize the text further by adjusting its size like this. You can change color from here. You can change its style like this. Now once you are happy with it, click on export and your video will be exported. And that's it, you have successfully added a custom font in CapCut on your PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.